Okay people, this might be my laziest high-protein vegan dump and bake dinner I have ever done on the channel before. And I will not apologize. All you need are 10 minutes of prep time and 10 ingredients and you'll have a seriously delicious high-protein vegan taco rice casserole that has about 30 grams of protein per serving. If you love high-protein plant-based recipes like the one I'm about to show you, I got tons more where that came from, so hit that subscribe button below, join the fam, and let's get into this dump and bake vegan taco rice casserole. So, fun fact, the majority of the ingredients for this taco rice casserole are pantry staples that you probably already have. Things like TVP, a can of black beans, rice, taco seasoning, which is also really easy to make yourself just by blending a few spices together, bell peppers, green onions, zucchini. The only thing that's maybe a little bit unique are these vegan kind of chorizo style sausages I'm using. You don't have to use sausages. You could always sub this with tofu or soy curls, but I just sometimes love the convenience items like this. And these are actually pretty healthy and high in protein, and they're really delicious. The brand, if you're wondering, is Big Mountain. Not sponsored, I just love using these sausages. You can use any other brand that you might already like. As far as the easy 10 minutes of prep goes, all we need to do are chop up our veggies first. So I've got a red bell pepper here. You could use any colored bell pepper if you want. A zucchini. If you don't like zucchini, don't have it. Sub it for something like mushrooms or really any other veggies. Cauliflower even. I've got a bunch of green onions here. I just happen to have them, so I'm using them up. We're gonna finely chop those. You can also sub that for a shallot or a white or red onion. And then I've just got those vegan sausages, so I'm just gonna slice them up into little coins. We don't even need to pre-cook them or sear them. You totally can if you want to be extra and add a little extra depth of flavor, but it is so not necessary. We're going for serious lazy girl vibes today, okay? Then you just need to rinse a can of black beans. If you don't have black beans, literally any other can of beans would work fine. Red kidney beans, chickpeas, you do you. And we also want to rinse our rice too, because these have a lot of extra starchiness to them that might kind of gum up the casserole, which is never like that fun of a situation. So you can use like a white long grain rice like I'm using. That's just what I have, but you could also sub for brown rice too. All right, so grab yourself an old casserole dish. And now, in true dump and bake style, we are going to dump. Starting with our 1 cup of that rinsed rice, our rinsed black beans, which also equates to about 2 cups cooked, if you decide to just cook your beans yourself. 1 cup of dry TVP, a 1/4 cup of taco seasoning. This could just be 1 or 2 of those packages of pre-mixed taco seasoning you can get at a grocery store. 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. We're also gonna throw in 1/2 cup of any kind of salsa. And then very carefully, we're gonna add in all of our chopped veggies and the vegan sausages. And then we need some cooking liquid. So I've got 2 3/4 cups of broth here. This is a vegan chicken broth, but you can totally just use veggie broth or water if that's all you have. Now just very carefully give everything a real good mixy. We really want to make sure all of that taco spice and the salsa and the nutritional yeast gets well incorporated. We don't want to have any kind of bland mouthfuls. And then what I like to do, just to be extra cautious, is we gotta press down everything to be as submerged under that liquid as possible, particularly the rice and the TVP. Now, you might notice that after maybe about 5 minutes of just letting it sit here, the TVP may have absorbed a lot of that liquid. And that's okay, that's just what TVP does. It's very absorbent, just like SpongeBob. Absorbent and yellow and porous is he, SpongeBob SquarePants. Sorry, the voices in my head told me to sing that. So all you gotta do to make sure that the rice has enough cooking liquid, and same with the TVP, is just with a little bit of boiling hot water from the kettle, just pour over enough until the veggies and the rice are just barely covered. That's exactly what we want. Now just cover it with some aluminum foil, or better yet, if your dish comes with a lid, make sure it's sealed really tight. And then you want to make sure that you slap that subscribe button right there to make sure that you don't miss out on any other future high-protein plant-based delicious eats like this one right here. Thanks! Now, we're just gonna pop the casserole dish on a baking tray like so. just to prevent any potential spillover that might destroy the inside of your oven. Now we're gonna bake her up in the oven for about 40 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit. You may have also noticed that your girl got a bit of an outfit glow up recently. This very cute little red button up was gifted to me by the awesome humans over at Quince. They create amazing high-end quality clothing pieces that are accessible, affordable, and sustainable, which is pretty awesome. They have a huge lineup of vegan-friendly pieces like this, and this. You guys should totally check out Quince in my description box below with my link, and you'll even get a 365-day return policy, which is pretty sweet. Okay, let's check on her, see how she's doing. Ooh, very nice. Rice is cooked. So what I like to do is just kind of give everything a quick little toss, just, you know, for giggles. And then this is optional, but totally delicious and recommended. Throw some vegan plant-based cheese on there. I've got this Mexican blend from Dea that was just calling my name. And then just pop her back in the oven to melt until she looks something like this. Ta-da! This smells like cheesy taco goodness, but in casserole form. Okay, we're so close to being done, but I have some delightful serving suggestions for you, okay? Are you ready for this? How about some chopped tomatoes, jalapenos maybe, cilantro, squeeze of lime juice? Also, what do we think about serving it up on a bed of crisp romaine lettuce? Yeah, maybe a dollop of some vegan sour cream. Hello? What a low effort meal. I'm so excited to eat this. Oh my God. I can't believe that took only 10 minutes of effort. If you guys love dump and bake casseroles, check out my tandoori tofu dump and bake casserole right here, and don't forget to subscribe below if you haven't already. Join the fam. Don't forget to like this video. I love ya. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video real soon. Ta-ta! Taco Taco Tuesday.